A story was told of a notorious armed robber who was hired to assassinate a rich man for a huge sum of money. The armed robber went to the rich man's house at midnight to carry out the task. When he saw the rich man, he was shocked. He remembered that the rich man had once showed him kindness when he was in need. He then spared the rich man's life with a stern warning to leave that town immediately for a while because he could be killed by someone else. I want you to know, every act of kindness shall be rewarded. Do you remember the story of Rahab, a prostitute in the Bible? She showed kindness to the men sent as spies into Jericho by Joshua. And Joshua in return did not underestimate the kindness that Rahab showed to the spies. He even instructed the two men who had spied out the land to go and bring Rahab and her family as a way to fulfill the oath they made with her, and also to show their act of gratitude to her. They saved her life and all that belonged to her. In addition, Rahab and her family were integrated into the nation of Israel. Today, God still raises people who can help us in difficult times. Consequently, as a believer, you should make yourself available to help other people in their times of need, because doing so is crucial and rewarding. And secondly, in the other hand, we must always remember those who have shown kindness to us at one time or the other and reciprocate their kindness with gratitude. We should always appreciate any act of kindness done to us by anyone. So let me ask you, friends, do you always show kindness to the needy you come across daily? Is there someone who has shown you kindness in the past that you need to appreciate? I want you to take a minute to remember those God has used for you and pray for them also. So remember, every act of kindness shall never go unrewarded, for there is a reward and gains for every act of kindness. So my brother, you should be a source of help to other people. Now I want you to pray this prayer. Lord, give me a grateful heart and make me a solution to other people's problem. I believe God will help you do that. Remember, every